Hello, I'm Jetsin Veloz, and with this video I'm going to try to explain you some things about the hardware. It's Apple or iOS system, which is really easy to use, and I have been using it for more than 5 years, and I think that it's really helpful in the moment that you will like to or you will need to buy something like that. And let's begin. So because I don't have too much time, I would like to do like this, like while I'm explaining, I will show you like everything that you can do. The first thing to say is that Apple has like a which you can do whatever you want, even being in your house or working. Everything will be like the same by a touch. The first thing is like you have like home. It's where you can do you can do a match with your house, so you can have the management of it, and it's really easy for the ecosystem. This is why it's Apple has become one of the famous like hardware being used, because once like people start using it, you cannot change it. I mean, it's like a switch that you don't want to do because it's really easy. And also Apple has like many apps like included that you don't have to pay, and also each app that you are using it, you will have the you will have like an icon where you can find more info, so you will not have any problem at the moment to use it. Well, the first one, let's begin in its app store, in which you can do whatever you want to find something, and like an app or video games and everything like that. And well, there is books, Apple books, where also you can buy them to be digital. And then there's the calendar. It's really easy to use on anyone in any smartphone, but you can do like appointments and everything like that. Then there is FaceTime, in which you can like have calls with anyone you want, even if to do something to work or even just for fun, and it's really easy. And then there is a movie where you can edit your videos. Actually, for all my homeworks, I do those here. And it is iTunes, where you can do like everything that it's used for like academical. And then there is Keynote, like it's where I do my presentations. Like you can see here, I have like many. And Mail, where you can have like a Gmail or whatever you use. In this case, I have like 3, but just for Gmail, just for mail, I use Gmail, I'm sorry. And let me find it. Oh well, here it is. So here you have it's like Gmail, and it's really easy to use it also. And well, there is Maps. It's like Google Maps. Here I have Maps. And well, there is Message, in which you can send messages to people that you would like to. But I don't have it because this is an iPad, so I cannot have like the page, or not that I remember. Also because this iPad has not had the ID for that chip who can do that role for a phone. And there is News, where you can find like information about war. It's really cool. And well, it has been like too much time. And then there is Number, which works like a Excel from Micro. And here you have, it's really easy also to use it. And there's pages where you can do work, like something like such a Word. And there is Photos, like you can have a lot of photos here, as you can see. And then there is a Safari. It's like a Google Chrome, where you can find info or something like that. And then there is Docs, where it talks about like all the things that you have to do. to do, and there is voice memos where you can do like whatever you want to do by recording something, and those are all the ones that you can find in the ecosystem. Also, you can see that I can like do a match with something like Apple TV, and then there is like my camera, which is really good camera. You can take photos with photograph, which is really easy to use. It's like something for kids, and this is because an iPad can be used for a kid, by someone who is older, or anyone who wants easy. You have contact also in case that you will have like the chip that I told you. And well, I think that's it, and I'm going to explain you some things more about this. So I thought that it was going to be easy to be like recording the screen while I was like saying everything, but actually it was a lot of time. So I think that I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to like do more slides so you can find more info about it for the time that you would like to buy one. I have been working with this ecosystem in my phone with the iPad, and like when I was in high school, it was everything related with it because it's really easy for students and for anyone that would like to use it. And thank you so much for watching it, and I think that you will enjoy it. Bye.